Hey, what's up everybody? Rami Z back at it. I was gonna make a watch list right now for tomorrow, so I was like, how about we just make a video so I could show some people how I make my watch list. I know I have a video on if you look, how to make a nightly watch list using FinViz or Thinkorswim, but that's a little long. I'm gonna make a quicker one for people who don't want to watch a video that long. So first thing we're gonna do is go to FinViz, then we're gonna go to Screener. I just want to show you what I do, you guys, to find my stocks for the next day. I'm still gonna do a pre-market watch list for tomorrow, but this is just, you know, I call this KOR, keep on radar. I just keep these on the back burner and I set alerts for them just in case continuation. Now we're gonna deal with pop-ups sometimes on FinViz because we are using the free one, so we're just gonna have to deal with that. Excuse me. So I put price under $5. That's the first thing I put. Volume, I'm gonna need at least 1 million in volume, so let's put over 1 million, see what pops up. We're gonna go to technical and I'm gonna put at least 15% up on the day. I want the biggest movers really on the day. So wow, only 4 stocks today, so that's pretty good. It's not going to be that long. So we got HTGM, which I was looking at earlier today. I don't like the daily chart, but it's on a $4 breakout, tested $4 again, but we're gonna look at that in a second. LBTR traded that twice today. It has a really good intraday chart, but it was in play today. I'm not sure if it's gonna have continuation. Does not look like it. Might catch a bounce off $2, so we'll see what happens with that. And NVCN, don't like that chart too much. PXS setting up a really nice flag on the daily chart, looks good. So we're gonna basically look at LBTR, HTGM, and PXS. So this didn't have that much volume today. If you look right here, only had 1.5 million in volume. But let's see if there was any news on it, any type of catalyst. I did not see this today pop up today on any scanner of mine. Okay, we're good. Okay, shares flow 3.8, almost a 4 million share float. Let's look at the intraday chart. PXS. That's a 4-hour chart. This is an intraday. Wow, it's on a $2 breakout. As you can see, the 200 moving average right here at 203. So a real breakout would be above 203. Let me look back, see if we have any resistance in the past year. I don't see too much resistance. This thing's bottoming out right here. Looking good. See, if it does break the 200 MA, which is the moving average, we have room. We're gonna have a little resistance every 25 cents, but we have room till the 50-day. That's at 290. So this is basically a chart pattern play. Looks good on the daily. Looks good on the intraday. You can see how many times it tested 1, 2, 3 triple tops. So I'm just gonna set an alert at this. Let's look at a 5-day 5-minute chart. Look here, right here. Smack 2. Traders again know there's gonna be a lot of selling here, a lot of bag holding. People got in, lost some money, went tanked all the way down, and spiked again, hit resistance again, a whole number, and the 200 MA right here, you guys. So this is a tough resistance to crack over. We had a decent amount of volume, but still couldn't crack over. We need a lot of volume to get in this. So I'm gonna right click on this, and I'm gonna put create alert, and I'm gonna want it to go above 205, but I'm gonna put 203 just in case. I don't want, if it happens really fast, it's a low flow, so it might happen fast. So I said I'll put jump in at 2.05 with good volume. So create that. So we're gonna see if this thing tests. I won't jump in right away. I'll let it test it and see if we can get through there and see if we can hold there. Then I'll jump in. So that alert is set. So we got that on our watch list, PXS. So what I'll do is I'll go here. This is my KOR, keep on radar. So I'll put edit KOR and I'll put add symbols and I'll put PXS, add symbol, and then save. Okay, cool. So let's go back to Finviz, see what else is on our watch list, or what we're gonna put on our watch list. PXS, we're done with that. Okay. HTGM, LTBR, NVCN. Don't like that. I see a lot of resistance at 80 cents. So we're gonna skip that. PXS made our watch list. This not gonna make our watch list. LTBR, I traded that twice. I think I'm done with that. I don't think I'm gonna add that to the watch list. Don't like the upper shadow. But I'm gonna look at the intraday chart one more time. Here we go. This thing popped out on my scanner today. Traded it 2 times. Made a video earlier about it. Look at this thing. Took a dump. It dumped. So many people were dumping right here. Look at this. Look at this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 minutes at the close. A lot of people lock in profits, you guys. I traded this earlier. If you look at my video before this, you'll see how I traded it. I traded it. If you could see right here, there was a trend going this way, and then it had some support right here. But when it broke support, this thing fell off the cliff. Let me show you guys. See this? This is my support, and I was talking about in the other video. If this thing cracks support, it's gonna fall off the cliff and catch support around 250 or 225. Look, it went right through 240, 250. Held at 225, but I still won't buy because it's basically a dead cat bounce. There's no bounce right here. So I was thinking it might bounce off $2 because I see a lot of support here at $2. If there's volume and if there's a lot of people tomorrow shorting this, and I'm actually waiting for the spot for shorts to cover or dip buyers come in. If there's enough volume, I might buy for a quick scalp. So I'm gonna create the alert right here. Create the alert, and I'm gonna put below. So if it gets under, let's say 205, so I can watch it. Watch for dip buy at $2. So I'm not gonna like just jump in. I'm gonna actually watch it for a few seconds to see if we have enough buyers there. Be watching the level 2, be watching the times and sales and volume, and see if they're gonna be able to crack below that. If it gets to 2, if not, then I won't trade it. So LTBR makes our watch list for keep on radar. So we're gonna go this. We're gonna go to edit KOR, and we're gonna add symbol, and we're gonna put LTBR, and save. So that makes our watch list for tomorrow. What was the float on that? Float is 11 million, so that's pretty good. 11 million flow. Had almost 50 million volume today, probably more. So good volume on that. Don't like the daily, but I like the intraday. We might have a good bounce play. My alerts are, I've been doing a spreadsheet on my alerts, and not trying to brag or sound bragging or anything like that, but I've been doing my percentage, calculating my percentage on the spreadsheet on the alerts, and so far I'm at about 71% on the alerts. So 7 out of every 10 alerts usually works, but only works for like 5 minutes. So if I'm watching a break of $3, it'll work for about 5 minutes, then fade off. So that's why I like to move in and out real quick. I don't have the patience to hold and to see what happens. HTGM, so LTBR made our watch list. PXS made our watch list. MVCN, we don't like the daily chart on that. High wick also. HTGM, let me look at this real fast. HTGM, 8 million flow. Any news? January 18th, announces public offering. No good, don't like that. That was a few days ago. I was looking at this earlier. That's why. Okay, this thing was in an uptrend earlier. Look at this. I'm going to show you guys how beautiful this kind of played out. Look at this. This was in a channel. Look, as soon as it broke this uptrend channel, what happened? It's stuck in this channel between here and here, here and here. But I'm not going to play that tomorrow. I'm going to take that off my watch list. Delete. Remove. HTGM. I just don't like the pattern on that thing. I don't like how it moves. So we're going to remove that, and we're going to save. And that's how I make my watch list, guys. Now tomorrow morning, before pre-market or before the market opens, I will be running my pre-market scanner right here. I will be doing a video soon on my pre-market scanner, and to catch stuff and play. These actually just stay on the back burner for me tomorrow, just in case for continuation. I noticed the second day doesn't usually, maybe 2 out of 3 of my stocks usually are in the red on the second days, but I always keep them on the back burner just to keep an eye on what happens to them. But if there's a stock that has news tomorrow morning, if I see a lot of people there, if I see a lot of buyers, or I see a big gap up pre-market, I'll be watching that as my main stock, and this watch list will be on the back burner. I'll just be keeping an eye on it. That's why we set alerts and stuff, guys, just in case we forget. So I hope that helped. I hope if anybody has any questions, feel free to reach out to me. Please like and subscribe. If this video added any type of value to you, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell, you guys, so you can get these videos as soon as I send them out. Thanks for everybody for watching. Peace out.